Hello guys, this is Yasser and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how we can install the latest version of Python, which is 3.11.2, and in Python we will install pip and we will also run our first program. So let's jump into it. So now I have opened Google Chrome. You can open any browser you have available. So I'm just going to type download Python in the search bar. As we go on the next page, we will click on the very first link and it will take us straight on the Python official website. I have also attached this link in the description below, so if you'd like to come straight on this website, just click on the link. So as you can see, we want to download Python for Windows, so I'm just going to click on Python 3.11.2. This is the latest version, so I'm just going to click on it and it will download exe file for us. Our file is downloaded already, so I'm just going to double click to open this file. Just going to minimize this window in the meantime, and then we will click install anyways. If you see this window pop up, install Python 3.11.2, this is exactly what we're looking for. I'm just going to click add python.exe.path, and then we will click on customize installation. So we want to know what we are actually installing. So we are installing documentation, pip, which install other Python packages, idle, where we are going to run our first program. Then click next, and then click install Python 3.11 in advanced options. This is your file location. Your could be different. If you want to change your file location, you can change it from here. Then I'm going to click install. So we are almost there. It shouldn't take too long. So now we want to see if the Python is downloaded. So I'm going to close this window, go to start, type cmd command prompt and open this shell, and then just type Python version. As you can see, our Python shell is installed 3.11.2. So now we want to run our first program. We can run our first program on Python shell. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to type anything like print hello world and enter. So it's printed hello world. So it means our Python is ready to go. There is another way that we can run our program on idle. So I'm just going to close this and open idle, IDLE, so you can call that. So I'm going to open this and then I'm going to type same thing, print hello world. Just going to enter as nothing happened. All you have to do is just press F5. It will ask you to save your file before they can print it. So just click OK and save file with the name python.py. And I'm going to save on desktop. As soon as I'm going to save, it will print out. There you go. So as you can see, the hello world is printed. So this is how you can run Python program. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe my channel and see you next time.